We still have a very active upper level flow, but the corridor that's been driving these clusters and waves of organized severe thunderstorms, one after the other, that is going to tend to break. We're going to have a little bit more of this low dipping south, and that will still keep our rain cycle on the more active scale. But I think when it comes to the production of severe thunderstorms, broad gusty winds, or even those isolated tornadoes we've had every so often, I think that risk will decrease, but we're still going to have ample moisture flowing in with that low swirling to our north. That's just going to drive up the rain machine a little bit more. So here's how things play out. A few thunderstorms that form in the late night hours pushing to the east. I do think by sunrise and shortly thereafter we'll go back into a more stable pattern. But while those nighttime thunderstorms are around, especially eastern Big Bend, they can be locally strong and gusty. Now into tomorrow afternoon, we start to see that pattern change, at least subtly. We will see fewer of those clustered, broader, more organized thunderstorms. They can be a little more localized and scattered. So perhaps a little more sunshine breaking out can warm you up, feels kind of hot and humid. Into Wednesday, we'll start to notice more of that southwest wind that we've had for quite a while that pumps in the moisture, then that upper low sinks in, and that's going to drive up our rain coverage by quite a bit. But still, this late night hour into tomorrow morning, some gustier thunderstorms are possible. Wouldn't necessarily discount the isolated chance for a spin-up tornado. That's going to be more in our eastern Big Bend regions, but still a low chance, not a zero chance. We're going to be monitoring that very closely. But flooding, that's going to be in the medium risk range for tomorrow, and even probably a higher range for beyond. I wouldn't be surprised if we start seeing flood watches reissued for our area as the week progresses. But again, isolated occurrences of severe weather for tomorrow. Gusty winds are possible. The rain is going to be very scattered, but where it does occur, it can be heavy. Some projections show a few locations in the eastern Big Bend that can receive over 1, 2, maybe even 3 inches, and multi-day totals. With that system setting up and causing that flow of moisture, we can see widespread 2 to 4 inch rain totals through Thursday and some isolated higher amounts on saturated ground. So that's why there's going to be more in the way of a flooding hazard for us rather than these occurrences of severe weather. Forecast lows near 70 degrees. Tomorrow's highs, maybe enough sunshine, upper 80s to around 90 degrees. But the rain coverage is going to be on the upswing. And yeah, it's been high for several days now, but just a different setup of unsettled weather. Less in the way of severe storms, more in the way of soaking rain and possible flooding. That risk will likely stretch into the end of the week before a slight breakdown in that pattern. So we can maybe get back into the 90s by the weekend. We'll still have to monitor the trends and see how they go up to that point. We'll be right back.